Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're about to enable Smoothtrack. Start now by powering on both the camera and stabilizer. You should make sure firmware is up to date because stability algorithms rely on current code. Once powered, mount and balance the payload so the gimbal rests level with little drift. This reduces motor strain. Then open the Smoothtrack menu and select the appropriate profile for your rig. As you follow these steps, confirm battery and storage status to avoid interruptions during calibration. Once you've loaded the Smoothtrack profile, run the auto calibration and let the gimbal complete its motor sweep. Place it on a stable, flat surface for best results. After calibration, tweak follow speed and deadband. Lower deadband tightens response while higher smoothing reduces jitter. Make incremental changes and test short pans to see the effect. This is why you adjust slowly. Finally, assign buttons for quick on/off or mode switching and perform a timed test shot to verify the config. You're on the final pass. Record a short, varied motion clip and watch for drift, oscillation, or lag so you can confirm Smoothtrack behaves across motions. Make sure to save the profile once satisfied and lock any physical locks before transport. If you encounter wobble or unexpected locking, recheck balance and repeat the calibration. Make sure firmware and battery voltage are stable because low power causes motor hiccups. If problems persist, reduce follow speed and increase smoothing temporarily while you isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.